This one na update on the Baba Ijesha rape case. So this matter no one gree end. It don't even tire me sef. As e be, una know say from here to here, now they carry this matter they go. And all of us don't know Baba Ijesha. Now this one na rape princess daughter. In fact, in no rape am na attempted to rape. Na be the whole matter. But as the matter be, we know say they carry and go from this court to this court. But as the matter don't end now, they don't grant this man bail, and the bail now of 2 million naira. Hey, this chicken money. Now they go give Baba Ijesha for this kind of matter. This man supposed to pay more than this. But the surprise, in lawyer, he really tried. This man supposed to go kneel down, attack in lawyer. And if you even see, this man, they very grateful to in lawyer. But as the matter, people don't come outside, tell and say, this one where they don't bail you out. No be say, go still carry this your pumping, go they open leg, they enter people. They don't want to hear that matter again. Make it end for there. My people are beg. Make them follow me, watch the video.
About the feel, they are one or no. Oh no, it's a JJ. But we have to find 1 or 2 advisors. Joko.
Ijesha.
Ẹ̀yin lọ́lọ́run náà. Tọ́rọ àti rò pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó jẹ́ra sí. Ẹ ṣe kan sá. Lórúkọ gbogbo wa àti ilé Ìjẹ̀ṣà sá.
And I don't see wetin this man talk. In fact, among everything where this man talk, now the only thing I hear now, making them very careful and make him behave well. Because this one now where they don't release you. You know, it means that people they really support this man. People really dey behind this Baba Ijesha matter. People really like this man because are they surprised? Say people really come they support him say this. Oh, I not hear what this man do. I be as they talk to him, this man try to rape person. Now another thing na the ear. Maybe one thing don't block on our ear as they talk. Now making I know they hear this whole matter because I know they understand. The man even they talk and say, then they thank the lawyer because then they don't already feel say this Baba Ijesha go even die inside this prison. They don't already the reason and say now jail now ain't go rot for. But I mean say this lawyer really doing work well. But I beg Baba Ijesha, they careful. They're very careful because people they come outside say no be today you they do this kind of matter. No be today don't they do this kind. So this one where they can't grant you this to me. In fact, me this money too small. Making I see where Nigeria and all this our lawyers, why they no go make heaven? See this lady where go do a protest. When they arrest for protest, people they arrest. And I know how much they grant them as bail. 10 million naira. Now person where can go rape, they can't give them 2 million. I beg, who be the lawyer where they judge all this case? It be like say I supposed to turn to lawyer. Because person where they give them this judgment, I know they understand. At least now according to person's sin, now they give the person punishment. If you like say now money don't they talk, money don't they involved. Because I say this girl, she no go fit pay the money. Baba Ijesha, ain't get the money to pay. Now make they reduce the money. 2 million pay. Now I can't make this man pay. This money too small, he pay me. But this matter no can end for there. All this one where Iyabo and Iyabo they do gra. I say as they give this man bail, she go come outside again, come talk another thing. That one never come end. Now there one man again, one another man where they ask him, come outside they talking on say as they go that court, now they talk this one. Say all these actors who just they behave, they act like say to they sleep with person and new thing. So why did they behave like that? Say most of them, in fact, you know say most of all of them where they inside this film industry, they don't chuckle them before. Say they don't do them this thing read. So why be all of them come they pretend like say the whole sex thing now new thing. Now they call the reason say Baba or Ekbelesa. It be like saying our brain no correct. Because if you really hear what in this man talk, you know go come outside they talk this kind one. They talk say person rape pikin. You they carry the matter they go say the industry they sleep with themselves. We not talk say making no follow themselves sleep. But I beg this one on top of mine no. If Baba Ijesha like make him sleep with all the women waiting inside the industry. If he like make even carry princess, make two of them they do the thing for the presence of him. We don't even care. But I beg no do one rich person pikin inside. No do another children inside because this one a disgrace. My people are back. Making a watch video from where this man for talk this kind of thing.
So yeah, the one in German no and kill like break you. Lọ́dọ̀ àwa òṣèré. Gbogbo nǹkan bá ní so wá pọ̀ látàwọn obìnrin. Ẹ bá sì kíyèsí ẹgbẹ́yìn a máa dá fún. Kò sóbìnrin òṣèré tó ṣe pàtàkì lóde òde. Tí ó pé wọn foko kan di on rí nínú ẹgbẹ́ mi ò rí. Tó wá dogun. Lọ́mọ ìbáṣe lọ́tọ̀. Ewu ẹ pariwo ẹ wọ́n á dọ́gbọ́n fún ó dùn yàn púpọ̀ mo sì mọ̀ pé yẹn ò lè dáa fún wọn sọmọ ọlọ́mọdé lẹ́wọ̀n torí kíni tí ì sì ṣe pé ẹ̀jọ́ ṣe dáadáa fúnra yín rí lèmi náà fà bọ̀ wá wòran ni èmi ò lẹ́jọ́ tí mo rò.
And I don't hear wetin this man dey talk. In fact, the thing dey vex me because this man na old man. This man na old man. Come dey surprise why old man go dey talk like this. Say all the female actors. Say in fact for that industry, for you to be successful, they must sleep with you. You must go through like person must follow you do this thing before you go dey successful. But I sure say no, everybody they accept to do this kind of thing. Some people at least they do this business with their church mind. They do it with their mind. Say, they won't do and say they won't give. So this one where this man come dey talk, I beg. This way Baba Ijesha do, it dey wrong. In fact, it dey bad. So I beg, making no reason and making I just cancel and make the matter end for there. This one I'm making use and learn and other actors and actresses will be say before I go collect person for this thing, now go first enter the person and people will be say they go person house, go they chuku their small children. I beg, make the thing end for there. As they don't grant this man in bed like this now, make case close for him. And I hope say this Baba Ijesha he go learn something. Because this one they talk say the man, in fact, the man will come talking because the people where they plan this whole thing, it no go better for them. Why they swear for them? Because if say this man no do this thing, I no sure say this lawyer go come outside, they will come try and say make him behave. They no go make mention of that matter. It means say him try to do this kind of thing. Now I make all this whole matter come be like this. My people, Baba Ijesha, make una dey fear anybody wey example Baba Ijesha for your family. Carry your pikin, run comot from inside. Oh. Make we no come dey hear say one day your pikin thing don white. E don white pass normal whitening. We be say they no fit cover am again. So make una dey careful. On our children, make una dey watch them well. Anything wey they do. In fact, if na uncle come, abi na papa, abi na anybody, say they touch na pikin illegally. Now from there, make an eye don't open. Make an take caution. No, I don't they talk this one now. I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come on aside. Make an self using her ear. Hear what they happen inside Nigeria. Anything when I feel, make an don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make an don't forget to like and also share this video so that everybody self will see what we they hear about. I will see you now for our next video.